5 sandwich ideas that are perfectly designed to eliminate all unnecessary calories while keeping them juicy, healthy, and incredibly delicious. These simple and accessible recipes are easy to prepare, and the result will satisfy not only your taste buds, but also your health goals. Keep an eye on the calorie counter in the bottom right corner of the video. Friends, it's important to choose the right bread as the foundation of a healthy sandwich. Look for whole grain bread that is high in fiber, without added sugars or artificial sweeteners. This type of bread provides your body with essential nutrients and keeps your sandwich balanced. The first option is simple and fresh. You'll need half an apple, 1 slice of bread, cranberry sauce, preferably sugar-free, and some creamy Brie cheese. Spread the cheese onto the bread, then add the apple slices and 2 slices of turkey. You can decorate the sandwich with additional apple slices, a few cranberries, a sprig of thyme, 1/4 of a teaspoon of sesame seeds, and 2 to 3 cashews. And voila, the first sandwich is ready. The second option is a more classic combination. You'll need 1 slice of bread, 2 teaspoons of cranberry sauce, some Brie cheese, and 2 slices of turkey. Garnish with fresh cucumber slices, a few berries, a sprig of thyme, and 2 pecans. And there you have it. Breakfast is served. Friends, all the ingredients for these sandwiches, along with a shopping list and helpful links, can be found in the description. The third sandwich is hearty and filling, perfect for when you're really hungry. Start with some Brie cheese, 1 slice of bread, and a bit of cranberry sauce. Add the first layer of turkey, a few cranberries, a second layer of turkey, some walnuts, and 2 more slices of Brie cheese. Finish with neatly arranged turkey slices on top, a few blueberries, fresh mint leaves, 3 or 4 hazelnuts, and 1 teaspoon of honey. And there it is, your super filling sandwich, ready to enjoy. The fourth sandwich is perfect for sweet tooth lovers. Start with half a pear, followed by Brie cheese, 1 slice of bread, and 2 teaspoons of cranberry sauce. Spread the Brie cheese well, then add the pear slices. Finish with some fresh mint leaves, pomegranate seeds, and 1 teaspoon of honey. What an amazing combination. You simply have to try this one. Finally, the fifth sandwich is bright and colorful with vibrant pumpkin puree and berries. Start with 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese mixed with pumpkin puree, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and a few mint leaves. Blend the mixture well. Take 1 slice of bread, spread 1 teaspoon of cranberry sauce, then add the pumpkin cottage cheese mixture. Top with cranberries, blueberries, a few walnuts, and some almond flakes. Sprinkle a little extra cinnamon for decoration. And look at that, a bright and juicy sandwich is ready to enjoy. Friends, open-faced sandwiches are a fantastic way to cut back on carbs. A classic sandwich with 2 slices of bread has more calories and carbs, but with open-faced sandwiches or toasts, you get the perfect balance of flavor and nutrition. Subscribe to the channel because here I'm always on the lookout for interesting recipes with not a single extra calorie.